Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore the latest and greatest tech products. Today, we're diving into the world of cooling solutions with the Corsair iCUE AF120 RGB Elite 120mm PWM Triple Fan Kit. If you're looking to keep your system running cool and add some flair to your PC build, you're in for a treat. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the Corsair AF120 RGB Elite fan's appearance. These fans are 120mm in size, and their dimensions are 4.72 inches by 4.72 inches by 0.98 inches. They're sleek, compact, and designed to fit seamlessly into your PC setup. These fans are all about keeping your system cool. They offer powerful PWM-controlled fan speeds, ranging from 550 RPM up to an impressive 2,100 RPM. This translates to a maximum airflow of 65.57 CFM and 2.68 mm H2O of static pressure. Whether you need cooling for your heatsinks, radiators, or as case fans, these have got you covered. Now, let's talk about the eye-catching feature of these fans, the RGB LED lighting. Each fan comes equipped with 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs. This means you can customize your PC build with a brilliant backdrop of vibrant and customizable lighting. It's not just cooling, it's a visual spectacle. Cooling is essential, but so is quiet operation. Corsair understands this, and that's why these fans incorporate fluid dynamic bearings. This reduces friction, making these fans exceptionally quiet and durable. Plus, they feature a 0 RPM fan mode, which means they can stop completely when your system isn't under heavy load, eliminating any fan noise. Corsair takes cooling seriously, and their AirGuide technology is a testament to that. These fans are designed with anti-vortex vanes that channel concentrated airflow, improving cooling efficiency. Whether you use them as intake or exhaust, or mount them on a liquid cooling radiator or heatsink, they're optimized for the task. Controlling the RGB lighting is a breeze with the included iCUE Lighting Node Core controller. This allows you to manage the RGB lighting effects and synchronization. You can connect up to 6 RGB fans to this controller, simplifying the process of creating a unified and dazzling lighting display. And don't worry about cable clutter. It's easily managed with simple USB 2.0 and SATA connections. In conclusion, the Corsair iCUE AF120 RGB Elite 120mm PWM Triple Fan Kit offers a powerful combination of cooling performance, stunning RGB lighting, and quiet operation. It's perfect for those who want to enhance both the functionality and aesthetics of their PC builds. That's a wrap on today's review of the Corsair iCUE AF120 RGB Elite 120mm PWM Triple Fan Kit. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech product analyses. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on these fans, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.